This is Japan Vlog Service. Hi YouTube, Mike Cricket here, Konnichiwa, and it's May the 4th, 2015, it's Monday, and today is Midori no Hi, Greenery Day. A holiday that actually used to be the 29th of April, but when the Showa Emperor died, the Emperor Hirohito, the Showa Emperor died, that day became Showa no Hi, Showa Day. And May the 4th became Greenery Day. The Emperor Hirohito is he did actually study biology and was really interested in it. So, yeah, today is literally a day dedicated to to plant life, to nature. On this day, we're meant to be thankful for nature and for our own blessings. That's what this day is about. Frank's green. That's why I started this with a close-up of a tree. And it's humid, and it's not pleasant really, but not as bad as yesterday. Wouldn't have minded a bit more rain there. I know that's rather paradoxical, these very British of me. Yeah, it's just would break the heat a bit more. I said, I don't want to complain that it's nice weather, but yeah, it's not really meant to be this warm yet, so don't be, please. Anyway, can't complain. It's a holiday. I'm off to get beer or something. Anyway, see ya. Bye.